Good. Hello. So we're looking at nouns, and we're looking at identifying nouns with this question. What is it? What is it? And then these are the rules. When we speak about one thing, we say, what is it? Remember, we use it is for one thing. You know, when we speak about one thing, we'll say, oh yeah, it is a banana, or it's a banana, if we want to contract it. But we need to remember, if it begins with a vowel, or as you say, vogel, we say it is an. It is an apple. So this is your first attempt at this work. And it's good. There are some problems here. So, first problem, spelling problems. So when we say the word brush, this sh sound is sh. The other sound is a ch sound. It's like a ch. It's short, like church, church. It's a very short sound, but this one is a soft brush. It's a much softer sound. So remember the difference between the sh sound and the ch sound. Remember an orange, that's really good. It's an orange, it's a book. It's an ice cream, well done. It's an pan, Remember, if it begins with a vowel, we say an, but if it begins with a consonant, we have to say it is a pan. So remember that. It's an apple, it's a mobile, it's an banana, it's a banana. Remember the vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. And listen to the way I said those, because we say them differently to you. This is A. This is E. I know, it's strange. I, O, and U. So it's an egg is good, it's a bike, it's a pig bank. Actually, you know what? We actually call it, it's a piggy bank. We actually say piggy. But the proper word for it is money box. That's the proper word for it, money box. Okay? It's a brush. Good try. It is a pear. And we spell it like this. P-E-A-R. It's an umbrella, well done. It's a sweater. Remember, it is a sweater. We mustn't forget Murillo. We mustn't forget these little articles, okay? These are really important. It's a dog. Now, there are a couple of problems here. What you've done, you've made a contraction which is good, but then you've added the same word again. So you've written here, it is a dog. No, we only need one verb to be. So you can say it's a dog or it is a dog. So you can choose here, it's a dog or it is, okay? This is really important. And the spelling of candle, good try. And remember, it's a candle. Remember, we only write an if the first letter is a vowel. So it's a candle, like that. Remember, Marco, it's an orange. And guitar, you nearly got there, but it only has one T. I think you knew that. It's a bike, it's an onion, so you can see the words beginning with the vowel. It's an umbrella, it's an onion, it's an egg, it's an orange, it's an ice cream, and everything else is it is a. One more thing, two more things. Remember, when you write it's, remember to always use this. This is really important. Don't miss it out. I don't think anyone missed it out. Good. The other important thing is to try to write in proper case. So this is a really good example. This is really good. This is really good work. But writing just in capital letters, Murillo, have a look. Capital letters is not so good. It's good to try to write only using a capital letter at the beginning of the sentence, and then all small letters after that if possible. So sometimes we're writing all in big letters, it's not so good. Sometimes we're mixing it, like capital I, capital T, small s. It's not so pretty. So if we can try to write in proper case if possible, that would be really good too. Well done.